Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video I'm going to tell you 5 reasons not to buy Asus Zenfone Max Pro, or you can say that the 5 biggest problem of the Asus Zenfone Max. So first of all guys, let me give you a disclaimer over here. As you know that every phone has their pros and their cons, or you can say that every phone has good side and the bad side. So in this video I'm going to tell you the bad side of it, and I have already made the video that top 10 reason to buy it. And if you haven't seen that video, just go ahead and watch that video and this one too. After watching both the videos, then only make your decision guys. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So guys, before that, if you want to see behind the scene and many more awesome stuff, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is TechBuffet. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So guys, the first reason or the first problem in this smartphone would going to be the crappy front facing camera. Yeah, believe me, I can say you can take some average selfies in the good lighting situation, but when it comes to low lighting situation, the front facing camera performs really bad, as you see in these pictures guys. I got the final update, and after that update it improves little bit, but even after that this phone has the biggest problem in the front facing camera of the smartphone, so which is a very bad thing. After that guys, the next problem in this smartphone would going to be the slow fingerprint scanner. This phone has, I don't know, 2015 ka fingerprint scanner technology. I don't know, the fingerprint scanner is very slow, I can say that, and it's unresponsive, and I don't like the fingerprint scanner in this smartphone. After that guys, the next problem would going to be the availability. If you even have the money, then you can't able to buy this smartphone. On Flipkart they are running flash sales, but you can't able to buy this smartphone in one go. You have to try several times, and when you get it, so you are lucky. After that guys, the next major problem in this phone would going to be the protection in front of the glass. On the front glass, it does not have any type of Gorilla Glass protection, which is very sad thing. That means if you can drop this phone, it will gonna crack. So you have to use any cases as well as any glass screen protector, so it will going to protect your front glass element. So if you want to use this phone, you have to use some tempered glass or some screen protector to protect your screen. So I will leave some tempered glass link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. After that guys, the next problem is, even though this phone releases in 2018, but they have given us the normal micro USB port, which is very sad, but nonetheless it's quite good. And it's really good phone guys. I have already made 10 reasons to buy this smartphone. So if you want to purchase it, just go ahead and watch that video and then watch this video. If you have any problem which you can't bear it, basically if you are a selfie lover or if you like fingerprint scanner, then this phone is not for you. If those things are not your concern, then you should definitely buy this. I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. If this video helpful to you in any manner, please share this video with your friends, as well as like this video, subscribe to this channel, and after that hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.